A very cheerful good morning to all my dear children. I hope you have completed the notes till our chapter subtraction, right? So, my dear students, let us start the new chapter. So, today we are starting with the chapter 3 and the chapter's name is fraction. So, hereby we are starting with the part 1. Okay, my dear students. So, do you know what is mean by fraction? सोच रहे होंगे ना कि ये फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है. So, first of all, let us understand that with the help of example. Yes, what do you see here? A cake. Cake तो सबको पसंद है, right? But my dear students, if I cut this cake into two pieces, right? Two big pieces. So, it will look like this, right? So, cake के two parts हो जाएंगे. How many? There will be two parts of the cake. So, my dear students, when you cut the cake into half, it is expressed in fraction as 1 by 2, or else you can say 1 upon 2, and you can say half also, right? So, जब मैंने केक को हाफ कट किया, so in the fraction we are writing as 1 by 2, or else you can say 1 upon 2. So, my dear students, as you can see here on the screen, see 1 upon 2, right? Or else you can say 1 by 2, or you can say it as a half. Okay, so now let us understand the other example. So, students, what do you see here? Yes, an apple. So, when I'm cutting this apple into 4 equal pieces, right? जब मैंने इस एप्पल को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कट कर दिया, सो स्टूडेंट्स सोचो कि हमारा फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाएगा. यस, द फ्रैक्शन विल बी 1 upon 4 और 1 by 4. So when you cut the apple into 4 pieces, it is expressed in fraction as 1 upon 4, right? You will write down 1, then dash and 4. Okay, so students, in fraction 1 by 4 is also called quarter, right? 1 by 4 को quarter भी बोला जाता है. So my dear students, now I hope you have understood how we have to start our fraction chapter. Okay, so now let us understand some points to be remembered. Okay, so points to remember. Students, these points you have to write down in your maths notebook from the attached PDF. Okay, so now first one is a complete object is whole. WHOLE, whole. So, a complete object is whole. Students, nearby this you can see an orange is there, right? So, this orange is whole. Okay. Students, it can be any object. खाने वाली चीज भी हो सकती है, right? So, ये orange है वो पूरा क्या है? whole है, मतलब पूरा का पूरा है. Then, second is fraction is a part of whole. See, FRACTION. फ्रैक्शन क्या है? होल का पार्ट है. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, ऑरेंज को मैंने कट कर दिया है 2 पीसेस में, राइट? सो दिस फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. ये जो पूरा ऑरेंज है उसी का पार्ट है ये फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू. So my dear students, this shapes you have to draw with the help of scale and the circle you have to draw with the help of bangle. हमने bangle यूज की थी ना, किसमें? क्लॉक वाले चैप्टर में, राइट? सो This triangle, square, rectangle, you can draw it with the help of scale, and the circle you can draw with the help of bangle. Okay, my dear students. As you can see here, the third point, divided into two equal parts, half is written as 1 upon 2. Right? Students, can you see here what it is given? Yes, a triangle. So, a triangle is divided into two parts. Okay, see, this is part 1 and this is part 2. So, students, which one is shaded here? Part 1 जो है वो shade हो गया है, right? See, this one is part shaded here, right? So, this is divided into two equal parts. But in our fraction, it is written as 1 upon 2, or else you can say half or 1 by 2. Right? So, this triangle is divided into two equal parts and one part is shaded. So, in fraction, it is written as 1 upon 2. Fourth, divided into three equal parts, 1/3 is written as 1 upon 3. Okay, so students, you can see here a circle is given. Okay, so this circle is divided into three parts, right? So, as you can see, in fraction, we will write this as 1 upon 3, or else you can say 1 by 3 or 1/3. Okay. Then, the fifth one, divided into four equal parts, quarter is written as 1 by 4 or 1 upon 4. So students, square is given to you and this square is divided into four parts. So the one part is shaded. So in fraction, we will write this as 1 upon 4, or else you can say quarter also. Right? So my dear students, basically in this chapter, आपको total parts देखने हैं and which part is shaded, that you have to write down. Suppose this square is given to you and how many parts it is divided? 4, right? So 4 आप लिखेंगे नीचे, and then which part is shaded? The first one, right? So you will write down 1. ऊपर आप 1 लिखोगे. If 2 parts होते students, so 2 upon 4 होता. Okay. So now the sixth one, divided into 5 equal parts, 1/5 is written as 1 upon 5. Students, as you can see here, this rectangle, right? See, this rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5 parts total hai. Then only one part is shaded. So 1 upon 5, right? It is also said as 1/5. Okay. So now my dear students, in this chapter basically, or else I can say importantly, there are two types of exercise. Okay. The first exercise is you have to write down the fraction. Right? आपको क्या करना है? Fraction लिखना है. Students, in the unit test or in the exam, shapes will be given to you and you have to write down the fraction, and in the second exercise you have to shade the fraction. Okay, but in this our maths notebook, you have to do both the things. That means you have to draw the shape also and you have to write the fraction also, right? So let us start our exercise 1. Yes, exercise 1 is write the fraction, right? Students, यहाँ पे अभी आपको shapes दिए गए हैं and these shapes are shaded also. So by seeing these shapes, we have to write the fraction. Okay, so exercise 1 is write the fraction. Students, this is the new chapter. You have to start this chapter from the new page. Okay, you have to copy the date from the attached PDF, and on the new page, first of all, you have to write down the things, points to remember, and then you will start this exercise, that is exercise 1, write the fraction. Students, I am once again telling you that on each and every page, you have to start the new exercise, and with that, you have to write down the date also. Okay, so students, here the first one. Identify this shape. Yes, circle है. सर्कल को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है, राइट. एंड सो हम क्या करेंगे, 2 पार्ट्स में ऑलरेडी डिवाइडेड है, सो नीचे हम लिखेंगे 2 एंड विच वन इज शेडेड हियर, फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो आवर आंसर विल बी yes 1/2. Okay, so now the second one. Yes, the second one is yes a rectangle. A rectangle is divided into 3 parts. See, 3 parts में divided है, right? And how many parts are shaded? 2. This first one and this third one, right? So students, the shaded part number will come up, okay? And the total means जो shape total parts में divided है वो हम नीचे लिखेंगे. So identify क्या होगा इसका आंसर students. 2 parts shaded है और total 3 parts है, right? 2 parts are shaded and total how many parts are there? 3 are there. Yes, so our answer will be 2/3, or else you can say 2/3. Okay, continuing with the third one. Yes, here students, in the third one you can see a triangle. A triangle is divided into 4 parts. See, first, second, third and fourth, right? So students, total parts are 4 and the shaded part is this one, only one, right? So the shaded part हम ऊपर लिखेंगे and total parts हम कहाँ लिखेंगे, नीचे. Yes students, so what will be the answer? Yes, 1/4. So our answer is 1/4, or else you can say quarter. So this is the fourth one. Yes students, this shape is new for you. This is known as pentagon, right? This is known as pentagon. Why? Because it has 5 sides. Okay, so that's why it is called pentagon. Now this pentagon is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So 5 parts are total. And how many parts are shaded? See, this 1 and this 2. Okay, so our answer will be yes 2/5, or else you can say 2/5. Okay, so now continuing with the fifth one. Okay, so here the fifth one is circle, and the circle is divided into 3 parts. Total parts कितने हैं? 3. And among them, which one is shaded? Only 1. So our answer will be yes 1/3. Right? हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा students? 1/3, or else you can say 1/3. Now students, here the sixth one. Yes, this is also a rectangle. So let us see into how many parts it is divided. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So into how many parts it is divided? 7 parts, right? So it is divided into 7 parts. Okay, I am not showing this on the finger. Okay, so this is divided into 7 parts. As you are seeing this on the screen. Okay, my dear students. So total parts are 7. And how many parts are shaded? See, 1, 2 and 3. So how many parts are shaded here? Only 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? Yes, 3/7. Our answer will be 3/7. Okay, my dear students. So here we have completed our exercise 1 of fraction chapter. Okay, my dear students. So exercise 2 will be your homework. Okay. So students, this circle, you can draw it with the help of bangle. Okay, squares, triangles, you have to draw with the help of scale. Okay, my dear students. So exercise 2 will be your homework, and you have to complete that in your maths notebook only.